Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send a document for signing in DocuSign. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your DocuSign account and go to the Templates tab. Click on Create Template and give it a name that reflects the document's purpose. Next, upload the document you want signed and make sure it is complete and correct. Add recipient roles, specifying who needs to fill out and sign the document. If the template will be reused, leave names and email fields blank for flexibility. Personalize the email subject and add a message in the body for clarity. Click Next to open the DocuSign Fields editor. Add all required fields, including signature fields, and ensure they are correctly placed. Once done, click Save and Close. Your template is now ready in the Templates tab. Select Use, fill in recipient details, and press Send. Your document is now on its way for signing. So that's basically how you can send a document for signing in DocuSign. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.